Alright guys, we're going to be replacing the boiler drain at the bottom of your heater. So it's clogged due to what have you, but what you want to do is create an airlock system. That means drain some out of the top of the heater, meaning faucets in the line, go upstairs, open a faucet, go downstairs, open a faucet for 1-2 seconds. You don't want a lot of air in the system, you just want something to create a vacuum. So be quick about it, and hopefully upgrading to a boiler drain where you can just open it up, shove a screwdriver through it. That's what we have. That's what we have here. So it's a quarter turn, straight through stop. This is what's coming off. So this came off of a heater earlier today, but it was actually pretty good. I was going to reuse it, just swap them out, because I knew this one was clean. But I found that other dude on my truck, so you know, the great thing about freebies. So you will get a little bit of water back once you create your vacuum. I'm going to set you up on my antique pot there. I don't know if I can do this, guys. Can you see it? There you go. Alright, so you can see. You're going to get some fluid back. So I created a vacuum. First thing you want to do, break this old one loose. God damn. Alright, let me get a different wrench. Alright, you ready?
What? Who are you talking to?
You.
Oh. You need a beer?
Yes.
You doing okay?
I'm about to do it right now. You ready? You gonna watch it?
Yeah.
Here we go. That's how you do that. It's because there's a vacuum in it and it's creating it to suck. So yep. Veers around. See all this slime? So that's another problem. Do you see the slime? Okay, I have well water, so that is my ano rod reacting with the well water. It's probably what's clogging this guy up, but now I got this valve on, shove a screwdriver through there, break it up as much that I can get it to come out. So I'm going to turn all the pressure back on and flush the heater.